Henry McClure live. I'm here in the old Slosky's building, Kansas Avenue, 607 Kansas Avenue, right across from the plaza here. You know, this plaza is becoming iconic. I'm telling you, you gotta see that baby at night. 607. Okay, originally we were going to try to lease it, then sell it. Plans changed. It's for sale. Look at the county appraisal. All right, let's just take a run upstairs. So I think you could divide this space really easy into two different spaces. But what I think, after living downtown, what I do is I just make this whole thing one home. It would be cool. See, you could take these garage doors and somewhere, maybe off this column, create a indoor-outdoor living space. It'd make a real creative patio. And then there's a way, quite simply, to seal this off or just leave it open. The chairs do not come with the deal. Let's go over here first. So you could have like 2 master bedrooms. You could use some floor joists and completely make these levels over here one upper level. You got plenty of ceiling height. And for everybody that loves the events downtown, you're right across from the plaza. This is an iconic location. And what's interesting too, with this deal, you can bridge these two spaces together. I'd like to get Brian Falk involved with this deal. He's creative. So you literally can make this a 3-level place because you can use the floor joist right here and close this off and close this off and look up there. So, okay, well, let's look over here. It might be easier. So, hey, you'd have a ceiling, another ceiling in here. We could work it out. Hey, Jojo and your mojo, I need your help. So you could have a little kitchen up here working. So if it's a house upstairs and retail downstairs or business, whatever. All right, let's look out here. I know you've seen this before. Got to get some new HVAC. We're getting bids from Torgenson because we got to do new electrical service here. This needs an extra little pull. Haha, got it done. This has got a lot of character. But we got to start doing some creative deals downtown. We got to get people living down here. This would be a perfect place for a house and a bodega. Give him a run for his money down there on the corner. Just time reversal. We're going back in time. Where you live and work in the same place. Oh man, wait a minute. Look at this. Forgot about this. Thanks to my man Mason. Look at that. What is it, Diogenes? Out there looking for an honest man? Man, I'd love to have that apparatus in my house. Because I beat a dishwasher. But you got quite a vent here. You got bathroom 1 here, so you got a lot of plumbing. Now they did take the plumbing downstairs. But at least when they broke in, they weren't vandals. They did vandalize some copper and some electrical. And the HVAC needs some love. Another door here. Look at that mop sink. Okay, let's go downstairs and take a good look at what we got going on down yonder. Couldn't wear my nice new Pumas. Man, if you want to get some refrigeration working, you can have like an industrial home here. All right, so let's go back here. Here, let's go back here. Here we go. So can you see that? They left the electrical, at least in the conduits. So here's what they got. They got the electrical goes to the panels. So it needs some love down here. And then The basement's dry. Got that going for me, which is nice. Back in the day, this is why I always had a bandana on. I wish I had one on here. It's a little dusty. Gas line right there. See it? Water line. I think that's a water line, actually. That looks like a water line. We'll have to figure it out. This is not, it's not haunted, I can tell you that. It vibrates good. There's good energy in here. Hey, what do we got here? Hey, you got a Slosky's hat. I think I might have commandeered that. Looking for some logo merchandise. What do we got? Maybe. I'll leave that. Those are extra bonuses. If the owner doesn't want the Slosky's hat, I'm commandeering that. Comes with a scale. All right, you got a good lay of the land. Can you see what's going on here? This would be a perfect conversion. And I think what we're going to, since so many of the government workers have grown accustomed to working at home. Look, you put the office space down here, live upstairs. Retail might take a while to come back. At least he's honest about not being able to bring food costs down. They've jacked them up so high. So, just live in it. Most of us entrepreneurs, we live our work and love it. That's what we do. I'm Henry McClure. I'm live. I'm in Topeka, Kansas at 607 Southwest Kansas Avenue. Man, it's a weird temperature today. Look at that. But I tell you, they hold more events there than you can shake a stick at. Evergy Plaza. For sale. I've got some new sale signs. I got some new for sale signs going up here. I'm integrating that American flag. Because I am America's broker. Henry McClure Live.